In 2025, the world of user-generated content has become more dynamic than ever, giving content creators a wealth of opportunities to collaborate with brands and reach wider audiences. The demand for authenticity is at an all-time high, and brands are looking to real people, like you, to tell their stories. This year's top UGC platforms are leading the way, connecting creative voices with brands eager for fresh, relatable content. Trend.io has carved out a spot at the top, making it easy for creators to partner with brands for testimonial videos, unboxings, and lifestyle shots. With over 10,000 vetted creators and packages that grant you full content licensing, Trend.io lets you focus on what you do best, creating. TagShop isn't far behind, empowering creators to monetize their content while making it seamlessly shoppable across social and email campaigns. The platform's analytics and AI tools help you measure your impact and fine-tune your creative strategy. For those seeking speed and flexibility, Insense offers a massive network of 35,000-plus creators who deliver mobile-first content in just days. Billo specializes in high-quality product demos and testimonials, with creators earning between $50 and $150 per video. Join Brands stands out with its enormous creator pool, over 100,000 strong, making it easier than ever to find gigs that match your style. Platforms like Amplify, Upfluence, and Grin offer robust tools for campaign management, content curation, and seamless brand integration. Meanwhile, Creator.co, Bazaar Voice, Yotpo, Tint, Nosto, Social Native, and Skeepers each bring unique features, from AI-powered content search to streamlined collaboration and campaign analytics. With the UGC market projected to skyrocket from $7.8 billion in 2024 to over $100 billion by 2034, now is the time to get involved. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your creator business, these platforms offer the tools, partnerships, and exposure you need to thrive in the evolving world of social media.